Nuwave Primo Air Fryer Toaster Oven. New and improved 2023. Countertop toaster oven, convection top and grill bottom for surround cooking. Cook frozen or fresh, broil, bake. The Primo Air Fryer Toaster Oven combines conduction, convection and infrared technology with the grill to cook foods up to 70% faster than conventional cooking, while using less energy. Even cook from frozen, without defrosting. Perfect for busy households on the go. Using the integrated digital temperature probe means you never have to guess again. Insert the probe, set the temperature and touch and go. The Primo Toaster Oven cooks until your food is perfect and then shuts off automatically, so you'll never undercook or overcook meals again. Guaranteed. The Primo Air Fryer Oven's cooking technology means you can use it for virtually every meal of the day, and dessert. With a cooking range from 100 to 425 degrees, you can broil, roast, grill, sear, bake, air fry, braise and even dehydrate, all in one appliance right on your countertop. Plus, the best pizza you have ever made at home. This is one appliance that does it all. Every Primo countertop toaster oven includes the 1500-watt power head, temperature probe, advanced power dome, non-stick grill, base, dome holder, recipe book, Nuwave Cooking Club app, 1-year top-to-bottom warranty. Get best price and discount for this item. You can click link in description.